Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Avira Antivirus in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Avira, Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Click Uninstall. Click OK. Restart Windows. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.